Conceived between two industry experts, the Iconic Woodacity Solo Twist lipstick combines a top-performing European refillable mechanism with its outers in 100% wood. The lipstick Solo Twist opening system enables users to easily access the product through a simple quarter of a turn of the wood cap, followed by a gentle push. All made possible thanks to the oval against oval design and conical geometry of the walls. The lipstick's outer wood casing features internal grooving that secures the inner mechanism while allowing it to be easily replaced and released by consumers. They will be able to swap in and out of their favorite lipstick color or exhausted refill bullets. The Iconic Woodacity's outer casing is completely free of glue, plastic or lubricant, and it stores the CO2 taken from the atmosphere during its lifetime before harvest. It is available in sustainably sourced ash and beech, with the option of having the PEFC and FSC certification. Meanwhile, the lipstick is powered by Aptar's iconic 12.7mm non-guided mechanism, made in France and loved by global leaders in makeup and beyond. The Iconic Woodacity Solo Twist lipstick is now available from Quadpack. If you want to learn more about this pack, please contact your local sales representative or email us at hello@quadpack.com.